Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today I want to talk to you real quick about this impact rear bumper from Tusk for the Can-Am X3 models. If you have an X3 and you want to add both protection, functionality, and some good looks to the back of your UTV, this thing is awesome. It's made from powder-coated steel tubing. It's a super strong design. And one of the great things too is that the mounting is very simple. In fact, we just wrapped up a how-to video where once you buy this rear bumper, we'll go through and show you step by step how to get this installed. But just to kind of give you a brief rundown, it's very simple. So you have the radius rod plate, which this will replace your stock radius rod plate. So it just mounts there. There's zero modification that you have to do. So you're gonna mount it to the bottom there, and then the other mounting location goes directly to the frame. So it's very strong, very sturdy. Another cool thing too is that with that radius rod plate, you'll notice that there's a tow hook and a great location for tie downs there as well. And you notice that on this X3 or this Max, we have a spare tire carrier that's mounted up to the top of the roll cage. But if you want, there's another option. We have the modular spare tire carrier that can mount right to this rear bumper. So you have a few options there. But like I said, if you have an X3 model and you want to add protection, good looks, and functionality, this thing is awesome. Also works great with the Tusk cargo rack as well. So to grab one of these, it is very simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just enter the year, make, and model of whatever machine you have on our homepage, and you will see every product that will fit your exact machine. If you have questions, though, please leave those down below. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And to always stay up to date on videos like this, please get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, and you'll never miss out. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.